Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make candy vending machine at home very easy step by step by using cardboards. Five pieces of cardboard are needed for a vending machine's back, side, and the base. The size of the candy holder really depends what kind of candy you want to put in. In my case, just like this. Next, I'm preparing the pushing mechanism for the candy machine. This is the tricky part of the whole process. I will show you later in the video again. Okay, I will show you again. This part is a little bit tricky here. I'm pretty sure you will make some mistakes during the process, but that's okay. We learn as we go. I guess this is the beauty of the DIY project. This is kind of my design here. I attach additional cardboard. Just push down the mechanism all the way to the bottom so you can push the candy out very easy. And then I'll use some scrap cardboard to make a cover for the machine. I know it doesn't fit, but that's all I can do. It took me about 3.5 hours from learning the project to complete the project. Candy machine. Ready See? Good. Take it. Okay. Personally, I think doing DIY project with your family member, especially with your kids, is a very, very good idea. These projects not only can help them to gain confidence and skill, but also these DIY project will feed both my and my kids' inner creativities. Oh, don't forget, these projects are very good idea for your school project too. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting DIY project. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.